The road to recovery for Los Angeles. You know who's going to be speaking? Mayor Karen Bass. And I want to know what she has to say.
So the rebuilding has been going very fast, and the first phase and the second phase is the debris clearing and the removal of the hazardous waste. And that has been going at lightning speed. There, we issued our first permits to rebuild within 2 months.
To say, obviously, the moderator's not going to ask her the question about why there wasn't water in the fire hydrants.
It was empty. It was not a reservoir. Well, it was a reservoir for drinking water. So it was covered. And the problem was there was a tear in the cover, and so the state ordered it to be empty and closed, and it hadn't been finished in time. The other issue that overlaps with the fire department were the fire hydrants. And there is a lot of evaluation and reporting that we need to do to fix that as well.
Why is there $1 billion of spending where she doesn't know where it went, and now she's allocating to shut down animal shelters in Los Angeles County?
That job performance maybe not meriting $750,000. That's more than we make. That's more than
let me just say that the DWP is the nation's largest utility. And if you compare our utility to Omaha, Nebraska, where the salary was around the same, a small town, I mean a big town maybe in Nebraska, but small compared to Los Angeles. And so to me, I want to get the best talent around the nation.
I asked for an interview. She didn't give me an interview. But I can't wait till the moderator asks her. I want to see what kind of questions the moderator is going to ask her.
And when will you publish a live dashboard tracking all that?
I don't know the number off the top of my head that have been issued.
We have about 200 people in the pipeline now.
Right now, the city is doing their free rebuilding permits and have 7,000 destroyed. That's what this question says. When will you publish a daily publicly accessible dashboard showing applicants received, permits issued, median processing time, staff assigned to it, and a sort of tool, technology-wise, where people can track the permitting in real time?
Don't have a problem doing that, but let me just say that's not accurate. We have about 37 permits that have already gone through the process. And frankly, we have a couple of properties. I was at a property 3 weeks ago where they literally are rebuilding.
Yeah.
The construction crew was out there, and there are
27 out of 7,000.
Oh, yes, exactly. But let me just put it in perspective, because if you compare it to
Are you satisfied with the permitting process? Do you think that's moving fast enough? And is there ways that technology could maybe be used to make it go faster?
And we're looking at that right now. We're looking at learning in this time period. If we use artificial intelligence and that helps, if we use the self-certification, then maybe it can be applied to building in the city, period.
To understand how some people see that job performance maybe not meriting $750,000, that's more than we make. That's more than
let me just say that